Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see now, this is another edition of a video with this particular strategy, and you can see this is a massive strategy that you guys will not miss. So with the help of this powerful indicator, you can identify the key zone of an entry market for the trend of the market. As you can see here, we have an arrow indication here, and we have our massive indicator here that indicates to us that our market is going on a uptrend. And what you can see now is that we are having a massive uptrend, and the uptrend still continue up to this particular moment. And we are having um, another downtrend confirmation from this particular angle. And if we check our window, we have seen that our trend leader here has indicated to us that we are going on a downtrend, and we can see this strong indicator 9, which has turned to orange at this particular zone. So this gives us a very best confirmation to enter the market, and you are going to be scaled down the market here until you have another trend in the market that show a blue orange in the market. So this is how this perfect indicator works. So it works massively for every trade that you want to take. As you can see, this is a downtrend indicator. This is a downtrend. We can see here we have a higher high here, higher low. We have higher high, another higher low, higher high. So the market must not break this particular structure. We have another lower low here, but this low supposed to be more supposed to go down more than this, but it's like a double bottom here, and the market go back to this particular zone, which respects this particular zone. And what we can see here currently now is that the markets pull down a little bit in a little bit of trade here. You can see that that is another massive opportunity for us to enter for for sell entry, since your confirmation entry here has not given you a uptrend signal. So that is to tell you that the trend is still continuing the uptrend. But as we can see now, it break another zone here, and this become our higher high again. And we can see what happened here. It break that particular zone at this particular area. It break it at this particular area. So confirming in this particular area have given us a confirmation that our trend is on the uptrend. So that give us a long confirmation for the uptrend. And also, if you want to analyze the uptrend here, you can see we have our lower high here, we have our higher high, another lower high form, then we have another higher high. But let's see if that particular trend is on same position, maybe it's break that level or not. So we can see that it's above that particular level here, and we can see that it's from another higher high here, and this is another lower low. So the trade must not break this particular zone. It must not break it down on a downtrend. So if it break it down on a downtrend here, that is to tell us that the market might go on a uptrend or a downtrend level. So we now use your indicator to you use the indicator to know the direction of the market, as you can see here. So this is my trend for you to take a confirmation when the trade come to this particular area. Or if it's from another lower low here, then I'm going to shift my 9 from here to that particular zone. But currently now my last lower low now is this particular zone, and my last higher high is this particular zone. So that is how this perfect indicator works, and you can decide to follow the indicator. As you can see here, you can decide to follow the indicator. So that is how this particular indicator works massively. So you can see this particular one also. We have the the higher high, the lower low, the higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. So the market will not break this zone. So we have another lower low here, so we shift our focus to this particular zone. So it must not break it around this particular area. So but we can see that the market reverse back and it break its zone. It break this particular zone here, and what we can see next is our market already is on a downtrend. So that is to tell us that we are on a downtrend. So to get this particular indicator, you can easily reach me on my Telegram, join my group, and you're going to message me, and I'm going to give you the access to the indicator. This indicator is not for free. Thank you.